Hello, everybody. Nice to see you back. This time, I'm going to present about how to make a bookmark. We need some color papers like this. Yeah. Scissors and felt tip pens. You know felt tip pens? If you don't have any felt tip pens, you may use the Stabilo like this, yeah? Or snowman markers, right? Felt tip pens, like the pen is so, what is it? Penanya itu runcing ujungnya, ya. Then, this is the way you make the bookmark, ya. The first thing, you have to take one colored paper, yeah. You have to make it square. Since my colored paper already been squared like this, so I don't need to fold it into a triangle shape, yeah. But if you have a paper like this, see, so you need to fold one corner. This is the one corner, yeah. Fold it to make a triangle, yeah. You fold it. This is folded, okay. And this extra paper, you have to cut it off, right? You need the scissors to cut it off. Cut it, the extra paper like this, yeah. So here it is, we have a square, right? Then you have to turn it around into a diamond shape. Can you imagine this is a diamond shape? Yeah, not this way, but this way, yeah, diamond shape. I'm going to use this colored paper. Okay, all right, a diamond shape. And then you have to bring it, yeah, to make it triangle, bring one corner and fold it to make it triangle, right? Like this. Then you bring the right hand corner. This is the right hand corner. You bring it up like this. Yeah. You bring it up like this and fold it. You fold it. Do the same on the other side. On the left corner, you bring it up, fold, fold, yeah, to make a triangle like this. And then you open it back into a triangle shape, yeah. But now you have to bring the top corner, one part of the top corner, and fold it like this, yeah. Take the flap over on the right side or on the left side, you fold it under. Okay, fold it under, it means like this. Okay, fold it under. You fold it and then do the other, or repeat on the other side. You have to bring the left of flap over, yeah, the left side of the flap over, penutup ini, you fold it under. Once again, you fold it under like this. So here it is, the bookmark, right? You now can decorate it using stickers or felt tip pens like this, yeah. You can glue stickers like this, right? You can decorate your bookmark based on your own desire. Then here it is. I've got my other bookmark, and then I put to fold this book, and here it is my bookmark, yeah. That's it for now. Thanks for listening.